Okay, now we are ready for the Velcro. Usually when you buy Velcro, it comes not attached right. I don't know why they fold it like that, but that's just how it comes. So first off, you have to pull it apart and put it, oops, sorry about that. Put it back the way it goes, side to side, and actually attached. And that's usually how I store mine, because then it's much easier to grab it if it's already together. And that way I know I have both sides. And another thing I've noticed is for some reason one end's always shorter than the other, which doesn't seem right. Kind of like the hot dog theory. Okay, I'm going to hold up my wallet and look at about how wide I want it to be. I think I want my Velcro to be about that wide. I don't like it to go all the way across because then it can be difficult to open. And you just snip it. And to pin it on, you need to decide at this point which is going to be the front and which is going to be the back. I think I'm going to put the flowers on the outside. So I'm going to fold it up and put the Velcro. I like to use the soft side on this part. And just throw a pin on it. I like to put it right in the middle so that way I can just sew right around the pin. Now, the other side of the Velcro will need to go on the other material facing up. That's why I fold it up so I can remember which one needs to go where. Make sure you have them both centered to the best of your ability. And then just pin that on there. And that's how you get your Velcro on.